Hey guys, or peoples of the interwebs, I guess. It's the Reference Gamer here, and I'm here with a Minecraft modding tutorial. So, I have all the links in the description for all the stuff that you need, and I'm gonna walk you through setting up all the stuff. I'm used stuff a lot in that, but I'm going to stop using the word. Yeah. So let's get started. So first, before you even start, you want to create a folder wherever you want it. I chose my desktop because that seems to be easier than any other place. So I'm just going to call mine tutorial mod. You can call yours whatever you want. But once you head into that folder, you're going to want to create another folder and just call this whatever you want as well. I just choose to call it Forge SRC because that's pretty much what it's going to be. Forge source files. Alright, so let's jump just minimize this. I don't need it. Let's get started right now. So, you're going to download the Java Development Kit 8U25. So the link will be in the description, of course, under the Java semicolon place. And you accept that, and you will go down to the 64, and you can download this. Now, I already have it downloaded, and it's already set up. But once you download it, just click there. It will ask you a ton of OKs and stuff like that. Just accept all of them and say, yeah, I'm fine with you accessing all this stuff, like being able to run. And then you don't need that tab anymore. So, once you've downloaded that and done the installation and everything, wait, is it still trying to download? Anyway, I won't bother with it. Now, what you want to do is go to Control Panel, any way you want, then go to System and Security, then go to System, and then you can go to Advanced System Settings. Then you want to click Environment Variables. There you go. So this is where your computer accesses all its files, so don't delete anything, and don't touch anything. But what we're going to create is what's right here. So you probably don't have it if you haven't done this before. You don't have it. So, if you've done this before like me, I'm just going to, for tutorial purposes, delete this and then create a new one. Alright, so we're going to call it path. And then underneath, we need to open a new file, explore, and then, alright, so we have to hunt for the file. You want to go to your C drive and then go to program files. Now what you want to find is your Java, and then go to Java Development Kit, or JDK, which is what you just installed. Then click on bin, and then click up here. If you're a Mac user, I probably won't be doing a tutorial for that. Sorry, I just choose Windows. I might do that some other time, but not right now. Anyway, continuing with the tutorial. So copy that. Then right in here, you want to hit paste. And then you want to put semicolon, or, quotation marks around it. Then you want to put a colon at the end. Now after you've completed that, hit OK. Hit OK and check that it's there. Like scroll down your list a little ways, about that far. It should say path and what you just created. Then click OK. Click OK. What you just did there basically told the computer, okay, this is where to look for the Java Development Kit path. And now it knows where to hunt. Alright, now that we have that down, we can now go to the Minecraft Forge downloads. Now, this will also be in the link in the description. Do I even need to say that anymore? I don't know, but I'll just say that. And you'll want to click on Source, SRC on the side. This can be latest, or down here, right here, on the top. They are exactly the same thing. You want to click on that. Make sure you skip the add fly link. And then you can download it. Alright, so once you've downloaded it, you want to drag wherever it is. It will pop up in downloads, and then just drag it wherever onto your desktop or something. And then you want to drag it into open up the tutorial mod folder, like we minimized earlier. If you didn't minimize it, it's fine, just open it. And then you want to drag it into the Forge SRC, or whatever you called it, folder inside that folder that we created. Then you want to extract all in this. So you can just delete that part because you just want to call it Forge SRC right there. So just do the destination folder right there. Just the folder inside the folder is where you want it. And hit OK, or hit extract or whatever. I forgot to read the button. And then you can delete your zip file. Now we have this to work with. So what you want to create is a new text document. But on Windows 8, what you need to do before we can continue, you want to do, this will be unchecked. Make sure you go to View and File Name Extensions. So you want to be able to see the extensions at the end of each text. So now hit New Text Document. Well, I already did that. So create a new text document, rename it. Oh. Okay, there's the rename. And you want to call it Setup Workspace. And you want to call it, and you want to change the extension to .bat. Okay. And then you want to hit edit, or you want to right click on this and click edit, and it will allow you to do, and you want to type Gradle W setup decomp workspace, like so. So Gradle W setup decomps workspace. Make sure decomp and workspace are capitalized, the D and W, at least of those. And then you want to save this, or just close it and tell it to save. And before we run that, we want to do new text document and call this one Setup Eclipse. And make sure you change it to a .bat file, like I forgot to do. And then now, yes, accept that. And now you want to go to edit and say, okay, so this is where I made a little bit of a mistake, so I will figure that out a tiny bit later, so just don't listen to me. And hit save. Pretty sure I got that right. Nope, you didn't get it right. Yeah. So you want to do setup workspace to start out with, and let it do its thing. It had to skip a lot of stuff there, so if I do this, it will set up Eclipse. Oh. I think I did something wrong. Just a second. My great apologies. I have included one extra word in the setup eclipse.bat. We don't need setup. We just need Eclipse. So, I almost had it right. Alright. So, I'm going to close that now, and then we can run it. So, you run the setup workspace, then the setup Eclipse, and this is basically putting together all the libraries that are required for Eclipse to work and all that. So, mine took 11.545 seconds, so it shouldn't take very long. And now you have all the stuff with the Forge SRC folder that you need. So now you can just close it. Poof. Alright, now we are already on Eclipse. So I just downloaded this. It doesn't really matter what version, just as long as you click the right operating system, which probably if you're still watching this tutorial is Windows 32-bit or 64. It's most likely 64, but to figure it out, if you don't know, under File Explorer here, I can go to Control Panel. Here, I don't want to show any important computer information. Okay, 64-bit operating system right there. So it's under System Type. So Control Panel, System and Security, System, and it says all the information about your computer you could ever want. And yeah, it's also where we went to the Advanced System Settings from. It also says your operating system. Yeah. There you can also find out other stuff like pen and touch support, everything. So, you can now, I'm going to close that because we don't need it. Then you can see which version that you'll need. Oh, and for downloading the Java Development Kit, you needed that as well. Wait. Yeah. You need that as well for the Java Development Kit. So, yeah, now I'm going to close that because we don't need it anymore. Yes, exit Chrome. So, now, once you've downloaded Eclipse, just open up and extract the file to wherever. You'll get this folder called Eclipse. Double click on it, and you'll get eclipse.exe. So, then you'll start that up. And make sure, this is important. So, the way you're going to do this is find your folder, which is, mine is under my desktop. So I'd go to libraries, or no, sorry, not libraries. My name, desktop, tutorial mod, and then we would go under Forge SRC. It would automatically do that for us mainly. And then click on Eclipse, and then hit OK. Now, we can hit OK there, and it will start loading our workspace. Now, ta-da! You have finally set up Eclipse for Minecraft 1.8. So, there's other tutorials out there for this by Mr. Crayfish. I watched a lot of his tutorial and it helped me a lot. And other people, I guess, not that many other people have done tutorials. So, that's why I'm starting up now. And next tutorial, I mean, yeah, this video is only like 5 minutes long, but
it's been 12 minutes.
Next tutorial, I'm going to be talking about adding all your beginning stuff and also adding in an item, hopefully. So this video was fairly short. Just wanted to get all the stuff done that we needed to, and if you hit run right now, it will pop up Minecraft 1.8, and right now it doesn't have, it only has the example mod. So, example placeholder mod. So, it doesn't really have much. It just is there. And, yeah. I still think it's pretty cool that you can code my 1.8 now. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. And, if you want to watch the next video, it will be coming out probably very, very shortly after. Because it wasn't that hard to make this. And, I enjoyed it, so thanks for watching. Bye.